Banana.
He peeled the banana and ate it quickly.
Grapes.
She bought a bunch of grapes from the market.
Orange.
He squeezed an orange to make fresh juice.
Mango.
They enjoyed a ripe mango after dinner.
Pineapple.
She added pineapple to the fruit salad.
Strawberry.
He loves strawberries dipped in chocolate.
Vanilla.
She added vanilla extract to the cake batter.
Blueberry.
Blueberries are great in muffins.
Cherry.
She put a cherry on top of the cake.
Watermelon.
They had watermelon slices at the picnic.
Peach.
She baked a peach pie for dessert.
Pear.
He packed a pear in his lunchbox.
Plum.
Plums are in season during summer.
Chocolate.
He melted chocolate for the fondue.
Kiwi.
She made a kiwi smoothie for breakfast.
Lemon.
He added lemon to his tea.
Lime.
She squeezed lime over the tacos.
Avocado.
They made guacamole with ripe avocados.
Tomato.
She sliced a tomato for the sandwich.
Cucumber.
He added cucumber to the salad.
Carrot.
They snacked on carrot sticks and hummus.
Broccoli.
She steamed broccoli for dinner.
Spinach.
He added spinach to his omelette. They
Butter.
She spread butter on the toast.
Milk.
They poured milk into their cereal.
Yogurt.
She added yogurt to the smoothie.
Cabbage.
She made coleslaw with shredded cabbage.
Potato.
He baked a potato for lunch.
Corn.
They grilled corn on the cob. He
Peas.
added peas to the fried rice.
Eggs.
He scrambled eggs for breakfast.
Green beans.
She sautéed green beans with garlic.
Bell pepper.
They stuffed bell peppers with rice and beans.
Eggplant.
She made eggplant parmesan for dinner.
Chicken.
She roasted a whole chicken for dinner.
Zucchini.
He grilled zucchini as a side dish.
Pumpkin.
She made a pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving.
Cauliflower.
They had cauliflower rice as a low-carb option.
Mushroom.
He added mushrooms to the pizza.
Garlic.
She minced garlic for the pasta sauce.
Onion.
He chopped an onion for the stew.
Beef.
He grilled a beef steak.
Ginger.
She grated ginger for the stir-fry.
Basil.
She garnished the soup with fresh basil.
Parsley.
He sprinkled parsley over the fish.
Mint.
They added mint to the lemonade.
Cilantro.
She added cilantro to the salsa.
Rosemary.
He seasoned the roast with rosemary.
Thyme.
She used thyme in the chicken marinade.
Oregano.
He added oregano to the tomato sauce.
Nutmeg.
He grated nutmeg into the eggnog.
Cloves.
She used cloves in the spiced cider.
Turmeric.
He added turmeric to the curry.
Paprika.
She sprinkled paprika on the deviled eggs.
Saffron.
He used saffron in the paella.
Pork.
They made pork chops with applesauce.
Lamb.
She cooked a lamb stew.
Fish.
He baked a fish fillet.
Shrimp.
She made shrimp scampi.
Crab.
They had crab legs for dinner.
Lobster.
He ordered a lobster tail at the restaurant.
Salmon.
She grilled salmon with lemon.
Ice cream.
She enjoyed a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Sardines.
They served sardines on toast.
Tuna.
He made a tuna salad sandwich.
Clams.
He added clams to the chowder.
Oysters.
She tried oysters for the first time.
Rice.
He cooked a pot of rice.
Mussels.
She steamed mussels in white wine.
Bread.
They baked a loaf of bread.
Pasta.
She boiled pasta for dinner.
Croissant.
She had a croissant with her coffee.
Bagel.
He toasted a bagel for breakfast.
Pancake.
She made pancakes for brunch.
Muffin.
He ate a blueberry muffin.
Pie.
He made an apple pie.
Brownie.
She made brownies for dessert.
Biscuit.
He had a biscuit with jam.
Cake.
She baked a chocolate cake.
Waffle.
They topped their waffles with syrup.